Okay, everyone. How are you today? This is Carol with the Creative Evolution, or the Carpenter's Daughter, that you'll find on YouTube. So, today we have the Epson 2720 printer, and it's telling me that my ink pad is full. I can't go any further with it. The printer will not work if the ink pad is full, so it has to be changed out. So today I'm here to show you how you can order your ink pad that will go in your printer. I ordered this from Amazon. It was $12, came within a couple of days. Inside the box, be sure when you get the ink pad that you see it's for the printer 2720. So let me show you what's in the box. Of course, it comes with the screwdriver. I just snapped that together. I'd already taken it out the box. And then you have the filter, new filter that was going to go inside. They give you a bag to take out the old one, put it in here, toss it. They give you gloves, they give you tweezers. This is so your hands won't get inked up when you take the cartridge out. And the name brand of this is called Subli Plus Ink Pad. When you Google it or do your search on Amazon, make sure it says it's for the Epson 2720 or EcoTank series printers. Okay? Let's get started. I have my gloves on. You have the name of the ink pad. There's only one in the box. So first thing I want to do is take off the door. This is the back side where the cartridge will be. Door comes off. So when you're taking your cover off, where your ink pad goes, there's two screws. There's one on the back side of the corner and one on the inside on the actual container that holds the filters for your ink. And I'm gonna take this one out. Keep your screws, because you're gonna need them. And close it back up. All right. Come on, there you go. It is full, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. That's the ink pad that comes out. Just as easy as 1, 2, 3 to replace it. This is the old, full of ink. And of course, when you get through putting this in, you have one more step that you have to do. You have to go and get your code from, I believe it's called InkNet, or I will have that for you in just one moment. But I'm going to place the cover back on. First, I'm going to put my screw back in for the one on the inside. Put my door back on. Make sure you hear that little snap in. Make sure it's secure. Last screw. Screw it back in to make sure it's completely secure so you won't have any issues with your printer. And that is how you add your new ink pad to your Epson 2720. You can get them off Amazon, $12. Comes in a couple of days. This thing right here is heavy. It's full of ink. Full of ink. So I'm going to have to reset the count for the ink to get the ink or the printer running. Okay, guys. Let's do the last part of this for refilling your ink pad on the Epson 2720. So the last thing we're going to do is download a free reset utility. This one is by Wick Support. It's a Wick reset utility for your printer ink pad. It'll reset your account for you. Go up here. Open. I'm gonna right click it. Hit open. Slow. Okay, I'm back. I downloaded the Wick Reset utility for the Epson 2720 or 2721 or 2723 or 2725. This is an app that's going to reset your count on your Epson printer for the new ink pad that you have. And so I'm in the app. Close that off. Close the assistant. I don't need the assistant. So I'm gonna go up here and click the printer, and then I'm going to reset the waste counter. So with this, your first time, you get the first one for free if you put in the word trial. You get a free reset for your printer. And it will reset it to 80%. But it's free. I'm gonna hit yes, reset. Okay, it says to turn the printer off. I'm going to turn the printer off. Turning the printer off. Just that simple. Easy to replace your ink pad, ladies and gentlemen. No need to worry. It says congratulations, your printer waste counter have now been reset. Once your printer has shut down, you can turn it back on and continue to use your printer as normal. Please remember to replace the waste ink pad or fit an extra waste ink tank. That's the end, folks. I hope you are able to change your ink pad, or I hope this was something that could help you out instead of having to pay for something. It's absolutely free, your first round. Have a good day. Ink pad, change it.